This is Thursday dinner with Ella after work, so it was a quick one. Thank you for joining me. This is Ella, staying healthy with Ella, 50, 60 and beyond. Okay, what do I have here for dinner? Well, this, let me go closer, and those who don't want to hear words like chicken liver, I know a few girls like that, go straight down to next course. But this is a chicken liver. It is a cage-free chicken liver from Mom's. What's important about it, that it is cage-free. Not as much as it is organic, or forget about that organic. It got to be cage-free, period. Look how nice it is. And it is spilling out of the baked apple. If you saw me bringing in those 3 apples from Whole Food, one of them was yellow. And according to the new research, the yellow one has less sugar than a green. Granny Smith, glad to hear that. I never liked it, and they're not good baked. This one is amazing baked. Let's go closer. You see what's on the bottom. Under those beautiful livers is practically nothing but baked apple. I already told you how I bake them. Check it out. I can't wait to dig in. It's better than applesauce. Just bake this apple. Amazing. And an apple is wrapped in 2 radicchio salad. Hello, Signor Italianos. Nobody has a salad in Italy without radicchio. And as I said before, to make it less bitter, just soak it in a cold water with salt. What else do we have here accompanying these livers? Jane, you can turn in now, and the rest of you who don't like livers, pretend I said nothing. But the livers are really good for you. They're full of iron and other elements. We'll discuss that when I show you what I am taking after 65 vitamins and minerals, and one of them is in it, glutathione, very important, but here we go. This is organic papaya. Well, I suppose if it's good to accompany eggs, they accompany chicken livers as well. Why not, right? A little bit, a few slices of avocado, shaving of pepper, organic parsley. Dr. Pels, Minty Pels, loves to put parsley everywhere, including radicchio, it's her saying, and fermented pickle. I make them myself. We'll talk about one day. But it kind of ages, and I reuse the brine, and it actually gets better and better. It tastes, for those who know what I'm talking about, practically like it's from a barrel, you know. And that priceless tomato. The tomato, 8 of them came from Whole Food. Our price was $6.50. They come from Canada. They're amazingly delicious. I got to tell you, one of the best tomatoes I ever had. $6.50 for 8. What did it come to? About 85 cents each. Well, thank you for tariffs. And this is a few slices of grilled my daughter doesn't like it, we're gonna skip it. Pretend, well, it's nothing. Let's go further. It was enough. That was totally optional. Now, this is soup. This soup is, well, let me tell you, it's zucchini. The reason I didn't want to mention it, because my daughter, who is watching right now, is going to say, I hate zucchini, and turn it off. And those who turn off immediately after the chicken liver, which is so good for you, it's just ridiculous. Well, this is grilled zucchini with in olive oil, garlic, oregano, of course, from Greece. And by the way, there's some thyme from Greece in chicken livers. So yeah, zucchini, it actually tastes great. Again, that's how the whole thing looks. And let's go to potage. So this is famous French soup. And those who saw me delivering that whole chicken from mom's know that there was a stock from that cage-free chicken. So I made a very, very traditional French potato and leek soup. The organic potatoes from Whole Food were amazing. I had a couple of organic leeks. So I would say proportionately 2 medium potatoes in my case for smallish ones and 2 leeks. Oh, you know, choose your proportion, it's not crucial. And it's totally the way they do it. Look up the recipe, saute. What I did different, actually, I have added, I deglazed it with white wine and then added chicken stock. And I also added dry thyme from Greece and dry coriander seeds, which I grated, you know, grind it in with a special grinder. I'll show it to you, from France. And then I actually pureed it with an emerging blender. And it tastes amazing, by the way. Then after it's been pureed, just get it once more time, just in case it doesn't affect it from puree and actions, into simmering point. Turn it off and add a grass-fed cream. So that's how it is. And since it was a grass-fed cream, a cow one, this is grass-fed mozzarella instead of something which is lamb. And I didn't have chives. French would put chives. So I had this organic green onion, scallion. You see it sticking out of there. Eventually it will give us same flavor. And this is amazing. If you remember, I brought that new type of sourdough bread from the Whole Food. It said that it was forbidden rice. And let me tell you, I made forbidden rice. That's the only rice I actually ate in many years, in good quantities. Otherwise, tiny bit here and there is not bad. But rice is not on our menu. But forbidden rice is not rice. It's a grass of some other sort. But anyway, that is purple. It usually is. Check it out. And I sliced it, put it in refrigerator. I'm going to move it into freezer. And let me tell you, toast it like this. Let me come from the other side if I can. It is well worth a close observation. So it's the first time I've had it. It's the first time I recommend it. I am in love with this bread. And of course a grass-fed butter right here. But all this will be at the end of dinner, not in the beginning. And at that, I would like to say good night to you. Have a happy Wednesday. You were on a channel Staying Healthy with Ella, 50, 60 and beyond. This is our chicken liver dinner. And good night, everybody.